Good afternoon. My name is Karen Brent, and I'm in week 6 of Microbiology 225. And today's date is June 11th, 2019. And the exercise today is for salt tolerance test and the salt tolerance pH test. So I have all my setup here. I have my 1%, 7%, and 15% of my nutrients broth with the 1% of the NaCl. This is the 1%, and like I said, the 7 and the 15. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and remove the lid off of my yeast, the one that's marked yeast, and I'm going to pass it over the candle flame to sterilize it. Place my lid here. And I'm going to place it back on the tray. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove the lid from my active culture valve. That is my active culture of the yeast. And I'm going to pass it through the flames as well to get the lips sterile. And then I'm going to go ahead and remove one of my pipettes from the alcohol. And I'm going to shake it dry. And I'm going to remove 2 drops I'm going to place 2 drops into the tubing. And then I'm going to put this pipette into my bleach, my undiluted bleach. Then I'm going to pass the opening of my live culture, again, my active culture rather, through the flames for sterilization. And I'm going to replace the lid on it. And I'm going to pass this one through the lips through for sterilization. And I'm going to replace the lid on this as well. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in my incubation location for 48 hours. And now I'm going to move on to the demonstration in regards to my part 2 of this experiment for the salt tolerance and pH testing. And I'm going to get my tube for the yeast as well, and I did label it pH 5. This is, you can see, pH 5. And what I'm going to do with this also is I'm going to go ahead and remove the lid. Well, no, what I'm going to do is use the scissors to cut off the HCl and the NO and the NaOC pipettes at 45-degree angle, which I have them here. And this is the sodium hydrate 1 ml. And here's my scissors. They're already been cleaned. And I'm going to go to the trash and cut this at a 45-degree angle. And I'm going to place this extra sterile pipette here. I really don't need it, but I'm going to go ahead and put the NaOH here in this sterile cup. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my the nutrient broth with that's marked the yeast pH 5. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the lid from it. And I'm going to pass the opening over the candle for sterilization. And once that's done, I'm going to add exactly 1 drop in the tube. Place that back. And I'm going to pass the tube through the flames again for sterilization. And I'm going to go ahead and return the top. And I'm going to wrap up the excess NaOH pipette and my HCl in a napkin once I'm done, in a paper towel, and place it in the trash once I'm done. I'm going to go ahead and do each step for each test according to my description. And then for to add exactly 1 drop of the NaOH into the pH 9s as well, I'm going to do from 5, 7, and 9. And then once I'm done with those, I'm going to go ahead and use my active culture for each, and then I'm going to go ahead and place the 6 newly pH broths into my incubation location for 24 hours. These are for 48 hours, and these will be going for 24 hours. And then if I don't see any turbidity growth observed in 24 hours for these, I will put them back in incubation for another 24 hours and see what my results are. And I will document my results and put it into my lab report. And I will go ahead and do the same steps that I demonstrated for these. And same here with my active cultures here. And then my HCl and my NaOH here for these. Thank you. Once again, my name is Karen Brent. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.